Hello there! In our digital world, we're constantly at risk from viruses and malware. They can damage our devices, steal our information, and disrupt our lives. But don't worry, today, we're going to talk about how you can protect yourself from these cyber threats. Let's start with the basics. The first line of defense against viruses and malware is a reliable antivirus software. This software scans your device for any suspicious activity and blocks potential threats. It's important to keep it updated so it can recognize the latest threats. Another key preventative measure is to avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from untrusted sources. These can often be a gateway for viruses and malware to infiltrate your device. So think before you click. Next, let's talk about firewalls. A firewall acts as a barrier between your device and the internet, blocking harmful data from entering your system. It's like a digital gatekeeper, keeping your device safe from unwanted guests. Finally, remember to back up your data regularly. In the unfortunate event that your device does get infected, having a backup means you won't lose all your important files. It's a safety net that everyone should have in place. In conclusion, protecting your device from viruses and malware isn't rocket science. It's about being vigilant, using the right tools, and adopting good internet habits. Stay safe out there, folks.